Alright YouTube, it's Flying Brian Hutch. We got an unboxing for you today. Got the ZD Racing Thunder. See what it comes with here. I got the new controller. Kind of wanted the old controller. I'm hoping my lights will still work with this. The old controller had a 3-channel switch on it. I don't think this one does. It's got your normal reverse for throttle, steering trim, throttle trim, and steering dual rates, power on and off. 4 double A's. Feels good. Get that out of the way. Alright. Let's get some nice weight to it. 1/10. I tell the shocks are oil-filled. There she is, brushless. Battery in there. ESC with the fan on it. Box covering the receiver. Get this battery up. Shocks are adjustable. Sits lower in the back. I've seen other videos. This battery's a hard case with bullet connectors. 2400 milliamp, 7.4 volt, 25C. It's got plastic on it and everything. Alright guys, you get a IMAX B3 charger. Hopefully it's got the US plug with it. Should do 3-cell and 2-cell LiPos. And it does have a US plug with it, little booklet in there. A few spare parts. Instruction booklet. Looks like some shims in there, some 3M tape, some zip ties. Alright guys, that's about it. We're going to get it charged up and I'll have a running video here shortly. Alright YouTube, see ya.